Yo! Happy Tuesday, family. The week is officially rolling now. Yesterday was starting it. Today is today. Guys, I got to show y'all something. And I don't really know. Can we go back and look at our trades, actually? These accounts are busted, okay? And I don't know why. Good morning, Danny and Wirt. My favorites. How we doing, kings, queens? Guys, we busted these accounts and I don't know why. This is the first time this has ever happened to me. I signed into these accounts expecting to just trade them, but they're busted. So I don't know if I didn't take off an order when we got off stream. I genuinely do not understand. And is there a way to check trades and see like what the fuck happened? Because y'all saw it. We were only down a couple $100. I checked the trailing drawdown thing. There's no way that... Again, check this shit out. I had to reset one because I was confused, but check this shit out. It says we lost $1,000 below, which if you go to view details, it says we lost $2,000 yesterday in 10 trades. I am very, very, very confused. I either left an order on that I didn't close, because I did not lose $2,000 yesterday. Y'all saw it. So this is the first time this has ever happened. Now I'm trying to decide, do you think it's Tradeify? Do we think it was a user error? What do we think it was? Because I'm fucking confused. Check the platform tab, the pre-form-in tab. Morning, King. Good morning, Matrix. Welcome in. Go to the plus button on Tradeify and check the performance. Go to the plus button on Tradeify. And check performance. Trade performance. Where'd that go? Hey, where'd that go? Am I crazy? Oh, I gotta drag it, right? Trade performance, yeah. Contact support. I don't know. Good morning, Pobby. Good morning, Max. GPT. Good morning, family. Sorry I'm distracted, y'all. Click the blue line. I'm trying, Queen. But I don't want to waste too much of y'all's time. I'm going to go ahead and reset these other four. It feels... Again, I've never experienced this, guys. So I don't know if this is a Tradeify thing. I obviously most likely did something wrong. I probably didn't take an order off. I don't fucking know. I really don't. But we're going to go ahead and just resubmit these. And, God, that's so annoying. I don't understand. Never before has this happened, family. So I apologize having to reset these in front of y'all. Usually I already have these ready to go, but, you know. Now we just sit here and reset these accounts. Again, I just don't understand, but it is what it is, family. TLR, good morning, gang. Welcome in. Fire it up. Coop, welcome in. King, happy to have you here, brother. Switch, yo, what's up, King? Welcome in. Whoa, it's Tuesday, brother. It's Tuesday. One day at a time here, King. Check orders, W. Good morning. Sorry to hear about the accounts, bro. Diego, welcome in, King. I appreciate it. Check orders. How you do that, Max? It is what it is. I'm going to move on, guys. We can't fucking... They're not going to give me it back, even if I figure out what the fuck happened. I can't assume it's Tradeify. I'm going to put it on my fault, on me. I obviously left an order or something that we didn't pay attention to. And it filled, right? That's all I can assume at this point. So, sadly, got to spend another $500 on these resets. Gosh, that's so frustrating, though. Really is. But we will rally. We don't care. We don't worry about it. Buying the last one right now. NASDAQ kind of got some buying volume there, but we're still selling in through the bottom yesterday. Today is the day before FOMC, family, so just keep that in mind. Trying to get this last account really quickly. There we go. There's all 5 reset. Check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to be hawks now. And make sure that I've never experienced it yet. Not with prop firms. So I have to assume that it wasn't them. I want to point the blame, but I have to take it. You got to add it. What time frame are your charts on, Gangy? I'm on. This is the 1 hour and this is the 1 minute, King. I like to use the 1 minute and the 1 hour. Let's take a quick look at our hourly chart. Now that we've got our 5 accounts back. I'm done for the day. Made 300. I'm locked out. Pobby, that's how we do it, King. We don't look for much. We look for base hits. That's how you do that. NASDAQ looks like we're officially starting to roll over here, family. I really think we're going to find some sell side today. Possibly. Maybe not today, but definitely with FOMC week coming here. Let's go ahead and go to manage groups. I don't have any groups now. Let's go ahead and I got to reset my Tradeify, guys. So apologize. I apologize. Got to reset it. Doesn't have those new accounts in there. Gosh, what a weird start to a morning. Did not expect to turn on my computer to busted accounts. Bro, I did actually remember you losing 600. What the fuck? How are they blown? That's the thing, Pobby. I don't know, King. What's going on, Tradeify? Let me in. Gosh. Happened to me once on Ninja Trader. I have OCD about hitting cancel all orders before closing the app now. Live and learn. Exactly, brother. I must have just... And now Tradeify's acting a fool. Hey. Hey. Trying to make some money over here. Hey. Trying to make some money over here. You already took my money this morning. Doesn't really make any sense. So let me make some money now, please. No, let me make my money now, please. Simulation. Access to simulation. Today's gonna test me, guys. What the fuck is going on? Well, I can't check the price right now, family. I hope y'all are making good trades. Give me a second here. Hopefully we'll get in. My word. We're struggling this morning. Good morning, Saucy. Welcome in, King. Welcome in, my good sir. Can I please? Yo, what is going on, dude? Performance Center. Here we go. Oh, it's pulled up because I asked it to from the other one. Yeah, I don't need that up. I'm gonna take that out of there. Close all windows from your layout. Cancel.
The cheapest challenges and super high leverage do not count on
okay.
Being around for very
I think we're back. Shit. Sorry about the delay, family. We are out here. You guys are seeing it. We are struggling. Either Tradeify or Tradeify is against me at the moment. But you know what? We're going to rally. We have our manage our groups. I believe everything's on the 48K. These are all new accounts. Let's make sure really quickly. 50K, 50K, everything. Okay. Okay. Deep breaths. Now let's make our money. Don't you love having to wake up and spend $500 when you shouldn't have had to? Isn't that just like a really nice start to a morning? You know what I mean? Like, couldn't that just go not much better? The next top step? I hope not, Pobby. But we're in now, family. What are we looking at? Let me get my bearings straight over here. Coming up into the VWAP could be an interesting spot for some reactions. We sold below Friday's range and just kept selling. Try to buy back up. Found some more selling. Got up at halfway through the range. I'm going to try a little short here. Ooh, I don't want 10, though. I have 10 contracts on here. I'm going to have a tight stop on this one. I only wanted 5. I was going to short the VWAP there. I'm going to take our order off because I actually only wanted 5. And I'm also going to... What was my next step that I needed to do to get my bearings right? Get the bearings straight. You know what it is, Saucy. Bro, it's cold. I had to bring out a heater this morning. Oh, Pobby, you're feeling it too. if I could show you all this number right here below, it shows you like my dashboard. 5 degrees here in Maine right now. 5 degrees. Can I get a sell order at the VWAP, please? Can I get this sell order at the VWAP, please? NASDAQ, you keep tickling me. But then you wouldn't give me a little Philly there. I need a little Philly cheese. You know what I'm talking about? A little Philly cheese. Tap.
Order filled.
Now sell. Let's find some reaction here. And we're going to rip all the way through and cook me. A little warmer over here. It's 12. Having my beanie on inside. Brr. Yes, ma'am. I love it. I love working. When I go down to work, I always have my beanie on. Kind of love this time of year where it's just beanie season. A little bit of bundle, put a sweatshirt on, have some nice vibes, have a little hot cocoa or something. I'm not a coffee guy, so shit 5. I love when I went to Minnesota, it got to like -20. It was so cold. That's crazy. We'll experience a day like that at some point this winter. I'm done for the day. Took that long from the bottom. Matrix. Too easy, King. Good trading. Really nice move, sir. I'm trying to see if we can find a reaction here. Not looking for the most. What am I at? 45, so I would need 560. Oh. Damn. There's some selling right there. What am I in at? 45, so I need 95. This is where I need to get out at. Buy 5 limit. Pretty easy trade if we get a quick little delivery there. I'm going to put our stop loss on. Buy 5 stop. Stop loss is on. We're looking for a trade to the 595s to be done for the day. Easy. We should have, oh my God, these should be our other accounts. What is going on? Just made $140 thanks to you, Switch. Let's go, King. Too easy, brother. Good moving, good trading. Morning, King. How goes the Tradeify trading day for you? Newbie, I really appreciate you being here, Queen. Good morning. I woke up to a little bit of a bruiser. I don't know what happened, but we lost our accounts last night, even though we very much had drawdown available. So I either had an error and left an order on like this that I didn't pay attention to once we got it filled, or Tradeify did some weird shit for the first time ever. Haven't decided which one. I'm taking accountability. I most likely left an order on, but it feels really bad. Feels really shitty. Woke up to just having busted accounts out of nowhere. Hey, my no activation account says that I have a 1 reset available. Those are just the monthly ones you get, right? Isn't that a free reset? If it says a free reset available, that might be a free reset, Saucy. I'm not sure, King. It might also be, I don't think you'd have to pay for it if it was a free. I don't know, brother. I mean, check your bank account. See if you already got charged for the reset fee. Hoping to see us react. Trying to protect my little stop loss here. I'm going to put our break even a little closer. We got so close to a fill there at the 606s. Found some support. Now it looks like we're pushing back up, sadly. Hopefully the next defense is going to be this opening print candle top. Maybe VWAP. I really wanted to see those 595s find a sell there. Fuck me. Only 1 account in profit. The rest hit daily loss limit as I didn't remove it. No way, Matrix. Damn, King. Sorry to hear it. On Top Step? What are you saying, Saucy? Yeah, on Top Step you get those. I don't know, brother. Hey, bro, the stream is delayed with IRL. Oh, shit. Is it, Bobby? Sorry, King. I have it trying to be as tight as I can over here. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, we're on minute 9:43 with 38 seconds left of the candle. Obviously, there's going to be like, I think, a 5-second delay. Hopefully, it's not too long. Can we find some selling through here now? What was that reaction off that VWAP to not continue down to the 595s for the kid? You're really going to come break me even after helping me out? It's fucked up. It's really fucked up, NASDAQ. Oh, wait, never mind. I'm a dumbass. I was behind for 12 seconds. Let's go, Bobby. Glad to hear it. Can we sell through this EMA, please? This doesn't look real. Sell through this EMA, please. These 595s look fat and juicy and prime for you. Here we go now. Break through this little bottom here. Show me some selling. No wicks. You guys know the rules. Got to break through here. If we get through these 600s, the 595s a lock. We're only looking for the 595s, hit our $1,000 for the day. Can we get there, though? Feels teasy, but I think we might. I like our order. I like where we're looking. Show me some selling here, Nazi. Get through this price. 595s lock. Give us our day. I cannot believe we have to do this again. Today should have been this. I should be able to fund these tomorrow if we hit this 1,000, but whatever. Fuck. Oh, yikes. So you have to restart? That sucks, but at least you're profitable and can get the progress back quickly. Imagine that happening and you're unprofitable and close to passing. Yeah, Queen, you're right. Good perspective. We can make it work. And it's just frustrating, but like you said, imagine how much more challenging it could be if this was one of our first times experiencing this. So all in all, it's going to be okay. That's why I'm not too stressed about it. It was a little bit of a surprise to wake up to, but now we're here hanging out, doing our thing together. NASDAQ, you're teasing me. Can you go find those 595s, please? Gosh. Get a beautiful reaction off those prices, off our VWAP, and now it's just trolling us to our order. As soon as this price hits, I'm smashing this gray button. I will remember this gray button every time now. You're right, Diego. That's all I needed was a little friendly reminder. Oh, shoot, it didn't make me confirm a payment either. Let's go, King. So you're trading Top Step right now, Saucy? Come on. Let the kid eat a little bit. Let the kid eat a little bit then. You know what I mean? Good reaction to hold through the EMA. Can we find this extra selling? I want to see no wick here. Break through this bottom of these 595s. 600s being the line in the sand. Am I being a dick for a tick, or should I take this price? It feels like sellers are in control, so I'm trying to be patient, but also we are struggling to get lower. Decompressed. That was a decent volume candle. That gives me a little bit of faith. No. Long said. No, sir. We're going all the way up. Damn. Tough. Really tough that the sixes are not even going to trade there. No way. Gosh. Doesn't want to be easy for us today. Really got 7 points from our profit there to having our full 1,000 done. Trying to be patient here, guys. I want to see if we can still stay within this wick and this previous high. I don't like that we held the 605s. We never even teased the sixes yet, so I really want to see the sixes break. It is looking like we have another chance of getting a little VWAP tap, but let's just see what happens here. Still have faith in my dogs. Still have faith in my dogs here. Show me some selling, Nazi. There's really no reason for us to hold these 600s the way that you're teasing that you want to. Come on, sellers. Show me something here. Engulf this candle. Tough, tough, tough. Man, I know Ty be selling to afford dropping $500 today. Game recognized game. Let's go, Pobby. He said I'm selling leaves. Oh, brother. Nice little engulfing candle there. Can we find the selling now, NASDAQ? Stop playing with me. Go break these 600s off. We should be chilling if we do. I like that candle closure. Really nice engulfing action. Sellers clearly stepping in control here. Testing the sixes again. Can we find the 595s, NASDAQ? Beautiful little execution. Show me some love. Bada bing, bada boom. You're very, very kind to me this morning, Queen. Get down there. Don't make me bite my own words now, NASDAQ. I was just giving you compliments, talking nicely to you, and you're gonna go ahead and touch my price and not do. What are you doing here? No, what are you doing here? 598s. Go down to those 595s, Nazi. Everyone knows. Price might be random until end of day, until the Fed stops speaking and news comes out. I like that, Queen. We do have a big week of economic events, family. Obviously, FOMC and other fun things. So definitely do what you can to protect your accounts. Look for what you can. And then just try to really give yourselves the chances to be here. NASDAQ, what are you doing? Go to the 595, please. Am I being ridiculous right now? Holy shit. Just touched my fucking price. God, dude. Oh. Trading. Good morning, Amy. Welcome in, King. NQ sweep yesterday low and ES not. Interesting. It's an interesting reaction there, Amy. 10 a.m. jolts. Appreciate you, GPT. Thanks for the update, King. What the fuck was that, guys? I cannot get love lately. Like, are you just... You can't make this shit up. You just can't make this shit up, dude. If this comes back to break even. He gave you blue soccer. Bobby. Guys, am I a fish or are we going to go take out this fucking wick now? Like, what was that reaction, NASDAQ? I got to be scared of these 600s. We cannot seem to break through. We had one moment break through and then they reclaimed it immediately. I should take this exit off right here probably. My intuition's saying, take your money and then look for another entrance. But I'm so frustrated that we just got cocked out of our move. It should have been a one and done, easy bammo, shank you mammo. I feel disrespected right now, NASDAQ. I was just talking so nicely to you, too. I was giving you compliments, even though you did me dirty last night, too. Smash the like button, folks. Let's set a new weekly record for our guy. Saucy, you're the man. I don't even know what our weekly record is right now. I'm going to get a break even on this, aren't I? After getting a fucking tick from a fill? Please don't. Please don't make me crash out right now. I will throw something, NASDAQ. That was disrespectful. Because I was being respectful. You know what I mean? I was being respectful, and now this is how NASDAQ's going to treat me? Oh, my God. An engulfing candle like that to flash to our price, I'm actually going to crash out. Holy fucking shit. You can't make this game up. Next obstacle is this EMA. Next obstacle is the 600s. Don't have as much confidence in our position right now. Our box is in, family. I'm going to get our 15-minute range drawn up. Gosh, we have to earn this. Yeah, and then she's going to go all the way back. You can't make this shit up. There's our 15-minute range. We didn't even get nearly through the bottom of it. Not even to the 50%. I think this is going to go either take out our break even. I do like that our price is above VWAP, right? So now VWAP's kind of adjusted a little bit. We have a couple points there for protection, for maybe safety, but golly, NASDAQ. You must be one of the gods, strongest, the way they be testing you. Let's go, TLR. You're the man, king. Of course, let's go. Yo, I got edge on these longs. Space Ninja, you don't even want to talk about getting edge this morning, king. How about waking up to 5 blown accounts even though you didn't know you did anything wrong, and then you have an order for $1,000 and it comes down to this close to giving you a fill. Look at this. Oh, now it's going to go. Can you just come down here for me, NASDAQ? Can you just show me so I can show my friends that you're not disrespectful? I told them nice things about you. That's the thing. I was like, yo, you got to meet this person. Wicked awesome. Cool guy. And now you're treating me like this in front of my friends, NASDAQ? And you're going to hold the EMA like that? Ew. Don't you dare hold the EMA like that. Come to the 595s. You're trolling me. Ain't nothing better like getting blue soccer in the morning. I'm not saying it. You're the man, Poppy. Literally nothing worse than that, though. NQ playing around. I couldn't get an entry yesterday for shorts. Yeah, yesterday was a tough day to find one. They just kept going. And then every time you would try to get in, it would like rally up a couple aggressive points and then go lower. NQ is making you a liar. She's like, she is. Like I told a couple good stories about her. Like, yo, you got to meet this person. She's really cool. As soon as she comes out, she's just being super political, aggressive, and rude. Here we go with the 607s. Can we finally get through there and not make me feel bad about myself? Is that too much to ask? Should I just feel bad about myself? Go get that wick, NASDAQ. Don't even play with me right now. Do not play with me right now. Do not act like you want to hold these 600s. I can't handle that. Sell through these 600s one time for the kid. This is a grueling little trade for no reason this morning, family. And it should have been way closer to passing our accounts yesterday, but no. Nice reaction through the EMA. Oh my God, we're gonna hold this wick though. Fucking 600s, man. Sell through the 600s, NASDAQ. Let's be realistic together. There's nothing there. No one likes 600. I like 595. You know what I mean? Get through there. Oh, it's gonna show you wicked, LOL. Oh, it's gonna show you wicked, LOL. Starting off down a hundo today. Took a bad gold trade last night. Not even trying. Not even sure why. Sorry to hear it, Sobs. I got blew my accounts overnight that I didn't even aware of, and then we came into a trade this morning and we're getting edged. So it's a tough day for the family, but we're hanging in. Dump to low a day. Come on, Corey. Big blacks, no wicks. Look at my price being fucking edged. This is awful. Dang, Ty, did you take NQ and didn't call back after the first date or something? That's kind of what it's making me feel like. Like, I did something, newbie, that I wasn't aware of. Again, it's like, it was either, you know, maybe it was I left an order on, and it's upset with me. It's like, why did you leave me alone with your order? And I didn't even come back and check on me or nothing. And I'm like, I didn't even know. I'm sorry. NASDAQ, can we get through these sixes? Holy shit. I'm about to just close this fucking trade. I'm feeling very edged. Nope. We're going to go ahead and hold these 600s like it's no fucking problem. Oh my God. I'm going to crash out. I'm about to snap pencils and throw crayons. This shit is edging me. You right, Queen. She said breathe. Danny said take a breath. You know what? All together, as a team, as a family. Ready? Show me a big black no wick. You know what I'm saying? We just got to breathe. I'm still tight from the fact that I woke up to blown accounts for no fucking reason. And now I'm getting edged on my fucking trade. Can I just get a little bit of love? Do I deserve a little bit of love here, NASDAQ? You're just being rude. Blew one of my XFAs. Sorry to hear it, Matrix. Sorry to hear that, King. It's a tough day right now, but we're here for you, brother. I can't get over the fact that we're getting edged at these 600s like this. This is so fucking painful. It's going to hold now. I can already see. We had a nice strong wick to push through this range. Big selling candle. Strong wick. Push through. Found some support. Still finding some support. I don't know. This is feeling very bad. I don't believe anything. I don't believe anything you show me, NASDAQ. You're at the 610s. Cool. You're going to go ahead and do whatever you want of me. You don't care. You only care about yourself, NASDAQ. Sell through those 600s. I don't understand why they're acting like a motherfucking launch pad. London low is right at the 600 too. Is it? See, I was looking down here at low a day, but you're talking about London low. Yeah, it is too. 675. This big old wick right here. And I didn't thank you, Queen. I didn't know that. That's what we're struggling to get through, is this wick right here. I have my price right below, struggling to get through there. Back below the EMA all over again. I've seen this play before. Oh, look, we're below the EMA and we're breaking below support. I should be safe to my 595s. Boner candle. Tapped into supply and demand. We could see lower here, Tyler. Yo, Mar. Appreciate you, King. Means a lot, brother. Happy to have you here. I'm hoping to see lower. I had a beautiful little supply entry at the VWAP. Got a nice reaction. Got edged by one fucking tick and then came down and got edged again by 5 points. Like, I was up 700. Just got tilt because my other 4 XFAs were in red because I forgot to remove the daily loss limit. Yeah, that's really tough, bro. I'm sorry to hear it, Matrix. That's tilt worthy, bro. News, bro. Yeah, we're gonna get news and I'm gonna get fucking flooded out of my trade. I appreciate you, Ben. I gotta close this probably. We're not gonna get a flush down there now. I'm gonna leave it on. It's either a break even or a profit. I don't care. Tapped into supply. Hey, Ben, you're the man. Tapped into supply. Demand, we could see lower here. Tapped into supply. News, bro. Let's go. Love the love. Let's go, Ben. We got news here in about 40 seconds. I think we're going to get a boner candle to the upside, unfortunately. I probably should just close my trade and take my $400 and look for more, but I can't do it. You know what I mean? I cannot do it. I'm going to take a break even or nothing on this. I'm so frustrated that we got teased like we did. We're still in the seller zone, but if the buyers keep holding the 600s, then maybe another scenario. That's what I'm seeing too. I mean, we're in a seller spot, but the 600s are not breaking. And here we go. Fucking boner candles for no reason whatsoever. News is dropping here in 5 seconds. Let's see me just get flooded to break even. That's the chop, maybe waiting for the news. Bink. Oh my God. What? What? And they're going to wick that? They're going to wick that to come all the way back to VWAP? Are you fucking serious? Why would we have the volume bring us down to the 605s and hold again? Can somebody make this shit make sense? Oh my God, you're going to wick that fucking candle. No way. No way, NASDAQ. Gross. If we get a break even right now, I might crash the fuck out. What a gross candle. Oh my word. It's just unbelievably gross. That is a disgusting candle. Only thing that's telling me, guys, is that longs are in. They're clearly not being fucking, they're not wavering, so that's the chop. Maybe waiting for news. That's fair enough, Ty. Mar, we're getting trolled over here, King. Buyers stepped in. I mean, look at that wick. You can't even make that shit up. Last support is going to obviously be this VWAP test, but I don't have a good feeling about it. We're probably going to get a break even here. What a weird wick. Wait, weird trading. 600s are acting like a trampoline. Well, that was a pass if I didn't hit break even. Sorry to hear it, Saucy. But you're right there, kiddo. You got scared out of the long? Understandable. I'm trying to short this fucking thing. Putting my head against the wall. Putting my head against the wall. Looking to short this thing. I've been in this for now. What is this? 21 minutes. 22 minutes now. Looking for, and I've been teased 3 times. Cannot believe this wick traded all the way back through. I like us still below VWAP here. We got to keep that energy. EMA looks like it could be enough of a reaction, but my next trade idea is to see the bottom of this be traded through, so. Oh my fucking word, man. Disgusting. Fucking God. Bro, I'm actually mad for you. What the fuck? I literally touched it like a priest on Sunday school. Bobby. Fuck. I think longs are clearly in then, family. Longs are clearly in. I'm buying the 63s. Of course, it's going to come down and not give me a Philaroony, but a little Philly cheesesteak. If we see reverse from the 600s, did we get high of the day, Ty? I'm thinking so, I mean. I'm looking longs now. It's all good, brother. Break even better than taking a hit. Patience. You right, Mar, but fuck, man. You didn't see it, bro. It's in that trade for 20 minutes and got teased out of our price twice, dude. Like, we should have already been paid. Should have already fucking been paid, but no. Not Tyler. Not Tyler. I've been finding no love lately. I do not want to see this trade into the 703s. That's a shitty trade. Shitty price that we're looking for. Wanted to see a quick reaction off the top of this 15-minute range. Now I'm going to give it a chance for this VWAP, but yeah, it doesn't feel like the way I wanted to see this volume continue. We held 600 3 different times. If you look at the hourly chart, I see a lot of upside over here. We swept through this big low, reclaimed it with a nice wick. Now we're starting to push up through the EMA. I like it. Obviously now we're down 15 points, but I'm going to give this a little bit more room here. If it holds below, shorts are coming. It looks like it tapped into our final supply at demand level to head lower on ES6866. If it holds below, shorts are coming. I mentally and emotionally cannot handle watching the 595s trade right now. Yeah, this is not a good reaction that I wanted to see here. It's not the reaction I wanted to see here whatsoever. Reclaiming into the 15-minute range. I'm going to close our position.
Order filled.
I'm closing that here, family. I don't like it. And I'm actually going to still flip over to shorts. Oh my God, I'm so frustrated right now. I got to breathe. I am so on edge. Like, it's just, are you fucking kidding me? We literally were teased by a point of getting our profit filled, man. Like, I can't sometimes with this fucking shit, dude. Oh, yeah, perfect. Now it's going to go ahead and rip through the 595 like it was never a problem. I'm getting in this price. I'm short. 33, looking for 83 plus 10, 73. This is our new spot. This market, man. Good call, detach, brother. I'm trying, Pat. It was just the morning it triggered me, brother. I woke up to 5 accounts that were blown that shouldn't have been blown, to then having a tick away from a fill of our first trade, and it's just tough. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Heads up. Let's go, Richner. Appreciate it, King. 15 points from half passing on 2 contracts before those 3 sell candles. Tough. Tough, brother. Nasdaq, nobody believes you anymore. It's okay, King. Head up. I feel you. It's just been a fucking day already, Matrix. It really has, King. Like, my word. Show me some love. Get a perfect short fill. Miss it by a fucking tick. Comes back down, teases us. Has the data news that is now holding. Nah, I don't believe it. I'm taking a second attempt right here with a second contract. I'm going to have a tight stop on these two above the 15-minute range. I'm going to go 10 here. Buy 10 stop. Got to wait till I get a fill, though, before I can put this order on. Shorting a second contract at the 648 to the top of the 15-minute range. And then I'm going to have a stop loss right above that for continuation. Got to get a fill here, though. What's up, bro? How's it going? Maxi, I can't even right now, King. To be honest with you. Been fucking rough this morning. Got a beautiful short right here that got broke even after, what, 22 minutes when we were 1, 2, 3 times getting ticked of getting a fill for $1,000. Woke up to 5 accounts that were blown that shouldn't have been blown. And now, yeah, we're getting edged. So I feel some type of way right now. You know what I mean, King? No stress, you got it. Let's go work. I also see a 4-hour sweep on ES. I have confidence in these shorts, brother. Let's go. I like that, Mar. I'm going to let it ride, King. I think if we start getting the momentum, it's going to go pretty heavy here. But right now it is teasing, trolling. Yo, there's 30 plus people watching. It means the most for y'all spending the morning with me, guys. Thank you so much. If you haven't yet, show some love. Hit that like button. Right now you're seeing me crash a little bit. But again, I woke up to some blown accounts that shouldn't have been blown, and then we just got edged on our trades, so I'm feeling a little type of way, but I appreciate y'all for stopping in. Join this conversation if you're not. Are these Tradeify straight to funded? Vaughn, these are not. These are the Tradeify daily payout accounts, so I'm not exactly sure what they're called, the flex accounts or whatever, but they're the ones that you can take daily payouts out of, and I think it's one of their best ones that they offer. Wow, bro, that's fucked. Yeah, Maxi. woke up to blown accounts, and then we were 1 tick away from getting filled, didn't get there, 5 points from getting filled, didn't get there, and then came all the way back to break even after 23 minutes. What's your max loss you use, bro? You mean per trade, King, or per day? You mean per trade? Point wise on each trade, yeah. I don't really trade like that necessarily anymore, Mar. Like, where I'm not like, oh, I have to have 15 strict points here. I kind of like let levels play out a little bit. So like, I was gonna take a short for the second contract up around the top of the 15-minute range here, and then my stop was gonna be, you know, tight, 7 points or so, just above the 15-minute range. So not like a straight 15 block like I used to do. Trying different things out. 1 step closer towards our goal, though. Every day, Maxi. That's it, brother. Just every day getting 1 step closer. This is fucking awful price action. Awful, awful, awful price action. It's making me fucking annoyed. I can't even right now. My word. Like one of the, like, just 1 fucking tick? Like, come on, NASDAQ. I sent you a picture on what I see on IG. Bet, King. I'll take a peek. Looks like we might get tapped into our second contract here. This is absolutely grueling. I'm feeling very annoyed right now. Trying to let it go. I really am. Trying to just fucking let this market do market things and breathe and just not, you know what I mean, not attach like Pat says. But my God, when you just get the little bit of love, it's easier. When you get fucking just straight pissed on, God. Nobody believes you, Longs. Nobody. You're stuck below VWAP. You literally cannot move. You had fucking news coming in. You still couldn't push. Nobody believes you. Just sell already. God. This is fucking awful. Trading can take you to the highest of highs and then pummel you to the lowest of lows all in one trade. Guess that's why it's so lucrative. That's why it's the hardest, easiest money, Queen. That's why we're all here for. Doing this for our family. Doing this for freedom. Doing this so they don't have to. But man, today it is fucking testing me. Just testing me. Let's see it, Mar. Damn, we did tap into that supply with a nice wick too. So I see what you see, man. I want to see that play out for us. There's a nice little wick action there at your supply zone. Gotta actually find some selling. Nobody believes you, Longs. Nobody. This shit's a joke. Oh yeah, we're basing below VWAP. We're struggling to push up through. We had data. We have a data wick below, and data volume couldn't push us through the 15-minute range without holding. But I'm gonna keep buying longs here. Yeah, you're terrible. And a long 622. Good luck, everyone. You too, Sobs. Good luck, brother. I hope these 22s play out for you, King. Have a great day, everyone. Hit the weights. You too, Pat. Thanks for being here, brother. Get that health going, King. How are we not at 20 likes yet, though? I know we got at least 20 people in here that show love every day. Yo, you hearing that, man, Saucy? There's 20 plus people.
Order filled.
Well, we just got tapped into our second contract there. I now have to put our stop loss in for a quick little fill above the range. That was our last attempt to find the sellers here through this VWAP. Otherwise, we're cooked. I don't need to get all the way through the 600s anymore if we do get a fill. I got to start doing math, though. Show me some reaction through this VWAP. Sellers, step back in here now. Come on. Nice candle closure. Just like that. Show me some selling. I don't even know where I need because of our two contracts right now. We got to be patient. Show me the selling through that price. My word. This is agonizing. Come down here. Everyone knows. It's okay. Everybody knows it's okay. What do I need, guys? Like the 12s? What do I need? I need $1,200 with 2 contracts, so I need 30 points. Below 11, I need 11. I need right here. Buy 10 limit. Stop loss is on. I'm going to take this order off. Stop loss and profit are on. Can we get a rotation to the downside here? This is actually grueling. Take those challenges. Will make us stronger. Let's go, Richner. You right, though. I like soon as I join. Let's go, GPT. That's why you the man, though. NQB so volatile, but I do trade it from time to time. What I see on your chart is that it could be a form of manipulation on ES. Slowly drops NQ, tends to push up to fake retail traders. Hang in there. You're the man, Mar. Hanging in there, King. Hanging in there. Ty, you're short. I didn't know. Wasn't trying to fade my B. No, you're great, King. Never gonna let a soldier do his thing. I hope it plays for you, bro. I hope we can both make some money. I'm looking for the order at the 611s here. Can we finally, please, for the love of Mary and everything she owns? It's exactly what it is. It's just this insanely weird price action before FOMC. It's understandable, but it's just awful right now. Like, I know why we're doing it, but the fact that I got edged by 1 point, then 5 points, or 1 tick, then 5 points, then that data news, that's the only reason I'm feeling tight myself, but... I like our price now. I only need the 611s. I don't need to see the 600s break anymore, which is fucking amazing because they were not breaking. Oh my God, though. I have a break even on. Actually, I'm not putting break even on. I'm just not. I'm going to let this thing fucking play out. I don't believe we're going to just keep wicking like this. Can we go trade normal prices, normal movements, NASDAQ? Oh my God. This feels so bad for some reason. Like, what is going on? There's no way. Let me just draw this trend here that we're trying to act like we want to hold here. This really, NASDAQ? This is what you're really so supportive on? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 candles holding below VWAP, and yet no selling is coming through. What? We have a push to the VWAP, a giant sell defense of the VWAP, get a continuation to the move. Finally, news comes in, supports. Market cannot move through the news. We sell right back to VWAP, and now we're just stuck below it, but is no selling. It really, from everything I know, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. From everything that I know. What is this? Gross. Like, this is like one of the most clear-cut shorts you can almost get, and yet we're gonna get fucking cocked. Yeah, dude. I actually can't with you. I don't know, guys. I'm about ready to fucking snap pencils and throw crayons, so... If at any point on ES we break above the supply and demand, I will let you know, because that tends to give me the confirmation that my setup will more than likely become invalidated. But so far, shorts are looking good to play out. I appreciate it, Mar. I mean, I only agree with you, King. That's the thing. Like, I'd be looking long if I thought longs were good here, but there's so... I just told y'all, we had a giant push. So let me just show y'all again. You know what I mean? Let me show the NASDAQ. Opening print candle. We finally get the push up to the top of this VWAP. Take a short there. We find the reaction. Hold the 600s. Hold the 600s. Hold the 600s. The price finally has data. So we hold this wick. We push all the way up through top of the 15-minute range. Immediately, sellers are saying, nope, we're still selling. Push it back inside the 15-minute range. And we've been stuck below VWAP this entire time, but yet not getting any love. Completely stuck below VWAP this entire time. Sell, NASDAQ. My gosh. I actually think our math is wrong. I think I need lower than the 11s too, because this is where our first contract was and our second contract. Oh yeah, so this is our average price. And I need 30 points from there, so it's pretty close. I think it's right. Yo, there's 27 people watching. It means the most, family. We have a goal to try to get to 20 every single day. I know my day ones have hit it, but if y'all haven't yet, show some love. If you're here frequently, finding any value whatsoever, watching me crash out, it means a lot. Today's been a tough day for me emotionally, okay? I woke up to some blown accounts that I didn't know that were blown. They shouldn't have been blown, okay? Those are my first Tradeify accounts. I was very happy with them. Should have had those be worth. Don't know what happened, but they're gone. So now we have to just get over that. And now I got edged on my first trade by literally a tick to just being done, 1,000 plus per account. And now I'm just sitting here with 14 candles below the VWAP with no fucking continuation. Is enough to drive a man mad. You know what I mean? It's enough to drive a man crazy. Can we fucking move? Big, giant, thick blacks, no wicks attached. Show me the money and don't take it back. These wicks have been awful. Here we go, testing the trend line all over again. Oh, are we gonna sell it or are we gonna wick out like we have been for the last 20 minutes? Let's find out. Oh, wick. Who would have expected that? Ooh, who would have expected another? Ooh, look a wick. Ooh, look a wick. Jesus Christ. Yeah, let's just fucking follow this trend line perfectly. Every single trend line touch, guys, buy it. I'm serious. Every 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times you can just buy these trend line touches. Price does not want to go through this VWAP. We're stuck here, just going nowhere. Agonizing price action. Honestly, sit on your hands if you guys are not in any trades. Oh, what do you know? Another VWAP touch. More sellers. More battle at this price. Stuck in this fucking range right now. Holy crow. I'm sorry, but this is gross price action. This really is nothing we should be trading. This is really nothing we should be trading. 5 more likes for that 20. Smash the like button. Come on, guys. It's because I'm being all irritated right now, work. I'm not deserving of a like when I'm in this mental state. I'm all frustrated. And the NASDAQ is just teasing the fuck out of us. Like, gross price action, dude. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 minutes of going absolutely fucking nowhere. Make it make sense. This is the volatile time of the day. Is New York open? Move. Move, NASDAQ. Christ on a cricket, man. Oh, this might be another trend line buy for you guys that we'll wick out of and hold. Jesus, Jiminy. Caution, we tapped in that 4-hour liquidity sweep but didn't completely take it out as we only tapped into it on ES. So in my opinion, if it climbs back up, it would be completely swipe out of the 4-hour. If we climb back up, you think we're good? We're good for the upside there, Mar? Is that what you're saying? This is an agonizing trade. Like, just at the end of the day, that's what this is. Another test of the trend line, like I said. Still just holding. Price is going completely fucking sideways here. Unreal. This is one of the most nastiest, gross, poop, bad things I've ever witnessed. 16 candles of just sideways at the VWAP. Make it make sense. Like, I just need some logic. I just need something that makes a little bit of sense here, because this is fucking not making any sense. I'll check NQ right now and tell you what I see. Absolute garbage, isn't it? What'd you say, newbie? We all get frustrated, King, so no one has room to judge. I like that. You're right, Queen. Thank you. We all get frustrated. I don't know why my accounts were blown. Why'd I get edged on my trade? Why is the NASDAQ doing this at the VWAP? Like, why? You know what I mean? Oh, great. Now we're going to go ahead and just fucking fly. Finally. We, not only if it holds above that, there's another level that it might want to climb to. Shorts look good, but since we wicken on both sides, that could be the reason. We are not here to make sense. We are here to make dollars, King. Let's fucking go, Sobs. You right. For the hesitation to head lower. Consolidating before Fed rate cut decision tomorrow. I agree, Can. Welcome in, chatter. First time I think I've seen your name, brother. But I 100% agree. But, man, like, you would expect a little bit of fucking movement. We're just going absolutely nowhere quickly here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is just some of the grossest price action I've ever witnessed, personally. I'm putting my stops. I'm gonna fuck. I'm in the moment where I just want to, like, I gotta manage my risk accordingly here. I'm just so frustrated. I do not want to see the top of the 15-minute range traded, so I have to have my stops slightly above that. But I just feel like I'm gonna get the worst feeling in this trading game is I'm gonna get my price touched and then it's gonna move. I feel I'm just gonna get top ticked. That's how I'm feeling right now, but who knows? Let's just let it ride. You're right, Cam. We're just consolidating right now. There's 30 amazing people watching, family. I appreciate every single one of y'all spending your morning trying to get better at this trading thing together. If you haven't yet, show some love to the like button. Looks like we're about to take a fat fucking L, though, for another 20 minutes. God. Oh, my word. NASDAQ. You're going to book it. We're basing above the VWAP finally here, guys. This might be a reason for me to close this trade. Really, I wanted to see the top of the 15-minute range stay in. But the way that we're reacting makes me think that we're probably kaput. I just so don't believe it. Like, I've never liked a short more. Like, nothing in this game is guaranteed, right? So everything is like, probably will lose. I really like the shorts here. That's what's frustrating. Like, I really... Look at this shitty fucking price action. There's no way, man. Golly, this is painful. Moving like Asia for real, Can. Don't you just love a top tickle before the big move? Hopefully it falls, though. It's just bad price action right now. I love it, Queen. I love a good old top tickle. It's just terrible price action. Just makes you want to just go home, call it a day. Makes you just want to wrap it all up, call it a day. NASDAQ, can you just fucking actually, for the one time of everything that I know and love, make some sense and continue this selling? That's what I need to see out of you. That's what I need to see out of you. Some logic. Something that I can put my hat on and be like, you know what? This makes sense. That's all I need. It's not a big ask. Just something with some logic. Chill, bro. You've been out our liquidity sweep every now and then, especially when you set a tight stop loss. I always am, Mar, aren't I, King? There we go. That's what I needed. Mar put the phone call in. Now we just be patient. Mar put the selling in. We're going to go see some 611s now. We're back below the VWAP all over again. Still stuck in the 15-minute range. I still like shorts here. Price is trying to hold. Kind of want to take a third contract right here, but I don't need that many points, so I might not. It's just, feels like it'd be kind of risky to do that. I just don't need that many points, but I kind of really want to take a third contract right here, which would adjust my stop somewhere into like this level. But I'm going to let it ride. See, Ty, she does love you. She's temperamental. It's undecided yet, newbie. I wouldn't say she's such a fan of me yet. She still robbed me 3 times this morning and hasn't paid me yet. So I don't necessarily agree that she doesn't hate me. I'd say she doesn't hate me, but I don't see the love yet. You know what I mean? Like, I wouldn't say she hates me, but I wouldn't see... Oh, here's the hate. No, she hates me, newbie. She wants to hold that fucking trend line like it is the absolute worst, just the golden rule of the market. If it touches the trend line, buy it. That's the fucking moment. Oh my god. I'm gonna fucking crash out. Go ahead. Go ahead. Take my money, you piece of take my money. She heard you. She heard me. I knew it. It's just that fucking support off that trend line is just godly, apparently. Buy any support you can ever fucking see off a trend line. It's godly. Holy shit. I'm gonna... Ooh. Tori must be in it. Yeah, Tori said another trend line trade. Shake my head off. There's no fucking way. This is just a basketball. Bing, 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 bing. Fucking frustrated. Lock out and try again tomorrow, King. Matrix, I think you might be right, King. I think I gotta try. I might as well. I mean, I got what? Oh, I have $1,000 in drawdown. I have a chance. With these combines, with the daily payout combines, it might be a single day to pass. I mean, it might be $1,000 DLL. I'm not sure. Call it a day, bro. Oh my god, am I frustrated. Look at this fucking trade. You really couldn't just have paid us? Like, are you fucking serious? Wow. Just wow. These very good, Matrix. These markets will make you lose your religion today. Yeah, those blown accounts just messed with your mental. They really fucking did, man. And then getting edged on this trade that didn't give us a fill. That fucked with my mental too. Like, literally, just today, it sucks bad. Oh my fucking god, today is ass. There's no way, man. Woke up to blown accounts that shouldn't have been fucking blown. We get ticked by literally, look at that. Oh my god. Oh, look. Now price is going to go fly to our stop and then go fucking flood right back into the range because this price action is completely shit. You're streaming out. You're stressing out more than my neighborhood crackhead. JK, I love you, bro. Hey, well, he just needs his drugs, man. I'm actually going to lose my shit. Hey, another trend line touch. Better buy it. Better buy it. That was another trend line touch. Bro, I told you, stop having that tight ass stop loss with 2 lots on. NQ to go ES. Trust me, I'm still in my shorts on ES.
Order filled.
Short 3 contracts. Top of the 15-minute range. We find the rejection back inside of it. I still believe shorts here. Or we're going to blow these accounts, and I don't even care right now. Do you understand? I am officially annoyed. I'm crashing out as well. Good thing my account's auto-locked. Stop being the liquidity sweep, bro. I love you, brother. Brutal. I'm done trading, bro. See you tomorrow. Take it easy, Maxi. Happy to see you Friday, King. Don't you dare put on that size, Mar. I need it. So fucking frustrated right now, man. Like, are you serious? It's just absolutely fucking bullshit. This is just some of the grossest price action I've ever witnessed. I don't even know how to trade it. I don't know how to handle it. I don't know what to think. I'm annoyed. I'm well beyond my mental, emotional limit for the day. Why am I so fucking annoyed? Why does the market feel like it's just completely hating me today? Why? Why do I close? Why did my accounts blow last night for no fucking reason? Why did I get 1 point tick to my edge? Like, what the fuck, man? Sometimes a crash out day and fuck it day is what we need to get out of our system and come back better tomorrow. Go for it. Just don't make it a habit. Thank you, newbie. Yeah, this is disturbing. Wicked 3. Wicked 3. Broke even. Done for the day. Dump shit price action. Yeah, Jay. It's awful, King. Appreciate y'all fucking with me, though. Riding with me. Watching me. Dealing with me crashing out. You're right, newbie. I can't make it a habit, but I'm look at just every fucking reaction. This is just the grossest price action I've witnessed, and it's just boiling me up. Like, fucking be normal. Just do something normal. Please. Like, fuck, man. I went 3 contracts because I'm tired. This thing is not moving. That's why I sized up. Is because there's no fucking movement. So I'm looking for a small movement to try and actually get through this shit. I'm at the 650s. I need... What did I take on that trade? How much did I lose? 180 plus 500. So I'm 700 down. I was already... I'm 900 down. So I need 2 grand. 2 grand from the 50s is 50 points. So I need the 600s. Holy shit. Yeah, that feels awful. Can you just either... No stress, King. Tomorrow will be your day. I'm seeing it. Mar, he's profitable enough to afford another set of accounts. To each his own, because I know I'm not perfect. No crashing out will make you tilt and lose the ability to trade another day. Crashing out will do that, King. And I don't condone this at all, y'all. I really don't. I'm just... Some days you can't hold the mental together. And today, when I woke up to blown accounts that shouldn't have been blown, and then I got 1 ticked, it's just hard to maintain my fucking mental edge. But that is the difficulty that's causing me to lose. So I'm going to take some breaths. And I don't give a shit what happens. I'm either going to blow these accounts or we're going to get paid. Like, that's where we're at right now, family. And I'm just going to let it be. I do not believe this fucking trend line is going to continue to be the god holla of the trend lines. Eventually, it will fucking break, and we're going to be here for it. Eventually, it's going to break, and we're going to be here for it. I know, but for most, they can't say that. Tyben, the brother man, since he had 100 subs. G. Let's go, Mar. You've been here for a while, King. Means the most. Means the most, brother. And right now, y'all are seeing it. It's a crash out. But you know what? It's okay. I'm either going to let this fucking thing play out, right? And we're going to go sell some 50s, or we're going to just be wrong. And I can take both. I can take both. I already felt like a loser today after blowing those accounts that we woke up to some blown accounts. And then after getting edged on my 1 trade, I already feel like I'm not a winner. So can't really get much worse. Let's see what happens. I know, that's why I said it to each his own. If you can't afford it, then you can force to take a break and come back later better. And that is one of the biggest things as well with trading. Like, you're forced to take that step off, and then you got to just find the difference and execute and get better. It's not easy to do. Can we actually find some selling through this VWAP? It doesn't feel likely, but can we actually, please, just sell through VWAP? Like, is that a lot to ask? Some of the shittiest price action, guys. We are still stuck below the 15-minute range high. Now back to this trend line on the backside of it. Golly. I've had these days. I just luckily wasn't on stream, LOL. Tough job. I know, I feel like an idiot crashing out in front of y'all because there was like 40 people hanging out earlier. And I crashed out and just kept slipping my mental, and we slipped down to 20. My gang, these are my 20. These are our family members. That's the thing. I don't need those other people in here that don't know how it is. But y'all 20 in here ride with me every day, and it means the most. I appreciate you guys so fucking much. Take the break and build, build, and build. Exactly, Mar. Build mentally and financially, for sure. You're only human, my G. Let's go, Sobs. Appreciate you, brother. Tied to G for the streams. I just upload or post on IG or TikTok. We're all doing it. We're all trying. NASDAQ wants to hold the VWAP. Of course it wants to hold the fucking VWAP. God. Just painful, gross, nasty ass. We break the trend and push right back inside of it is unreal. The only reason I'm not flipping over to a long here is because the fucking second that number one, it doesn't match my strategy. We're stuck inside the 50-minute range. We're stuck below these other reasons. There's so many reasons for me to be short, but I'm not getting paid, and I don't really know how to feel about that. You already know, gang. Yes, sir, Poppy. You're the man. That other 20 just thought you had a giveaway today. Laugh my ass off. That's exactly it, newbie. They're like, that man's giving away accounts today. These Tradeify accounts. Let's just go stop in. Wait till he says it. And then I said, fuck this NASDAQ. I can't find any love. Why is the market doing this to me? And they laughed. No, but seriously, why is the market doing this to me? Holy shit. You know what? Take my money. I don't even care anymore. You're going to do it. You're going to do it. Should have switched to longs, I guess. I mentally can't do it, but that's who's winning the day. So give that B black for my G. Come on, Matrix gets it. Matrix understands the game that we're looking at here. You know what it is, guys? I married my bias. I was convinced in shorts all day, so that's what it is. I deserve to lose if I'm married to a bias and price is not agreeing with us, so. Oh well, because not a single fucking candle has sold through since the one candle that This is the one candle. This is the lowest candle since opening print. This is the one that flashed our price, was a fucking half tick away from filling us. And then from there, we've never set a lower fucking low. Just have pushed higher every fucking touch on this trend line. What? Look how gross that is. Oh my fucking word. Vomit. Yeah, what happened? You said buy the trend line touches. I said that because that's what's happening, but I can't fucking do it, Max. That is gross. This is not normal price behavior. It just isn't. Need to get through these 60s, please. You looking for the long side, Sobs? It's looking decent for you, King. Crazy statement. Give that big black for my G. It's not over till it's over. Maybe it'll reject the highs. That's what we're hoping to see, Queen. Stay below these range. I mean, we have this 2, but it does not feel good. No. It does not feel good. No, it doesn't. The NASDAQ is not liking anything I've been asking of it today, so it is likely to just continue to push higher. Yeah, I know what you meant. I couldn't make myself do it either. Like, how the fuck am I supposed to do that? Every touch in the trend line, it looks like shit. And also, after fucking 40 of them, okay? I'm not going to expect the 41st to hold. I'm sorry, I'm not. Statistically, they should. Statistically, we should. Oh, here we go.
Order filled.
There go those accounts. Woo-wee. Wow. Absolutely fucking wow. We were literally just, that is something there. It happens, but don't sigh so heavily when it comes to the market, brother, especially if you're trading off emotion or unsure. Yeah, you're right. I was definitely triggered, so I had no reason to size in there more, but it's more just for all of the reasons. If you look at this fucking price, Mar, there's There's no reason that this is just the grossest price action I've ever. It's just the grossest price action I've seen in a long time. So it took my account. Oh well. Yeah, I'm still down. Still in from 622. Sorry, I didn't realize you were still in. Now stop. Great trade, King. Glad you're getting paid for it, brother. Damn, dude, I'm gonna lose my mind. I've been losing mine, Saucy. You're okay, King. Sorry, King. It's okay. Is it time to enjoy our holidays? Come back next year stronger. Ty should drink a Modelo. He's got that fighting spirit in him. You're the man, Papavi. I don't know, Matrix. We got a couple more weeks left. I don't know. I'm going to be here every day streaming for you guys. I might just have to adjust a couple things here. I don't fucking know. I really don't. Just after waking up to those blown accounts and then getting edged by a fucking tick, today wasn't my best. That's all I got. That's all I got for y'all. Today was not my best. I apologize. But you know what? We're not going to stop. We're going to load back up, do it again. We got FOMC week. Lots of opportunities still ahead of us. It is still just the 10th or the 9th of December. We still have a couple more weeks left of the year. 2026 is going to be our year. I'm going to use the rest of this year, though, Matrix, to just get everything aligned mentally. I'm going to get my expectations listed out. I'm also going to get a goal sheet made so y'all can see my actual goals. And then we can just be aligned together in terms of what we're trying to do, because this fucking end of this year has been painful. Since my payouts in mid-September, I've just been getting left jab, right hook, uppercut, fucking hit. I've been taking it. That talk about a Modelo. So my rational brain says this, family. Because of the struggle and the losing, statistically, probability-wise, we're only getting closer to hitting a win streak. We're only getting closer to hitting the payouts again. So even though it feels as bad as it can feel, this is essentially max pain, and it should only start getting better slowly. So I'm just going to take it 3 times today, getting hella close to TP. The time I get out just before TP to take profit, it reversed, and we broke the top. All good, Ty. Tomorrow I see you coming back crazy. Work, you're always there with a good energy, King. It means the most. I'm still in my shorts on ES from the 686 level. Only 4 points in profit with break even set, 2 lots. Good luck, Mar. Appreciate you for keeping us updated, King. Come back stronger tomorrow, King. Fuck yeah, Matrix. No worries. I do enough charity drives without giving NQ my money too. Exactly. Newbie gets it. We give enough. We give enough. And just everything has been fucking me today. I do enough charity. When we get in a girlfriend reveal? No. We're just friends, Bobby. I don't have a girlfriend right now. We're just friends. Transitioning to ES tie. Ooh, you like it a little bit more, Mar? You like it a little bit more, Mar? Hey guys, trend line touch. Buy it, buy it, buy it, buy it, buy it, buy it. Amen. Work. Let's go, King. Live cattle is the wave. Trade corn then. Oh, look, the first time we're going to break through the trend lines after I finally get a full stop loss. Hey, look, the first time we're going to finally get a trend line break is the first time I get a full stop loss. Hey, look, sellers are finally going to do something worth doing now because I'm out of the fucking move. I'm gonna put my hand through my monitor. ES is chill. NQ is crazy. All right, I'm back to sleep. Best of luck. Look at the market. Gonna dump. It's going to dump now, Matrix. I'm out of it. It's going to make me fucking upset. Sleep good, though, Matrix. I appreciate you for being here, King. Thanks for spending the morning, brother. No, I'm telling you, Ty, transition, brother. You could have been in this trade with me. Less volatile. Oh, fuck. I could have been in this trade had I not sized in. I could have been in this trade with Jumar if I just was a little bit not fucking emotional today. But, hey, we all have days. And today, the market got the best of me. But now it's going to finally break, and I'm not a part of it. What the fuck are... What are the odds? What are the odds? Please, I need to see it. Go take out those 600s. Aggressively, violently, quickly. Make me feel a little something here. Make me feel something. Is that too much to ask? I want to see Ty trade Bonds, LOL. I've never. Seriously, though, NQ is so dumb. Why do we trade it? I'm with Mar. We traded for the opportunity, but it is fucking brutal. Bro, no way it's dumping. Probably without me. If I see Ty trade US 30, that would be insane. US 30, y'all want me in there. Trading the YM. Trading down. Don't watch this. Don't watch this in the move after the tickle and rub. Salt in the wound. Just go touch some grass. I need to see it take my money, Queen. Yeah, work. I'll come try out your DAO. Ben Trades, thank you for the love, King. Your support is always fucking exceptional. It means a lot. It's like Crazy X who got that good pum. Oh, this is the short of the day, I think. Top of the 15-minute range. After breaking through with the selling, guess what? I can't take
Order
it.
rejected.
This trend line has been godly, though. I'm just gonna say it. All right, I'm gonna clear out all my drawings, remove all drawing objects. Everything's gone. I just have the pain. We blew these accounts. I'm gonna load back up tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow is FOMC, so I'm probably not even gonna be trying to trade it, to be honest. Or I'm gonna be trying to trade, but I'm not gonna be trying to. Wow. All right, longs. This is what I'm saying, guys. I don't think the market's been complete ass today. I think I just have been too married to my bias, and I think there was a lot of chances to find some longs. To be completely fair with you guys, let's just now just draw a different picture. This hourly chart is telling me everything. Okay. Yesterday low. We came through to sweep yesterday's low, and then immediately with a strong reaction. That should have been a little bit more of a maybe longs, and then since we just couldn't push back through, longs. So you know what, NASDAQ, I didn't agree with you today, but you did paint a decent picture that if I wasn't emotional, I could have maybe read. So it is what it is. We're going to bounce back, get better together, family, like we always fucking do. Your guys' support means the most. I literally just cannot thank you guys enough for being here, riding with me, being a part of the journey. You guys are literally watching me get better and change my life every day. So one day at a time, doing it for our family. We're doing it for freedom. We deal with this bullshit, NASDAQ. And we bounce back. We bounce back. It's like Crazy X. Stay as far as you can away. Stay as far as you can from US 30 Ty. Is it bad, Mar? Still can't believe it. One tickled you. 17 people in here. It one tickled me, Pobby. It's just the day of the day. Come on. Come into the day without a bias. I just come in and trade what makes sense. If it goes below or above 5 points, I set that break even on and let that trade do what it does on ES. 5 points on ES, so 250 per point. I like the discipline there, Mar. W day, Ty. See you tomorrow, brother. May everyone get some sun. Let's go, work. Love the energy, King. You're the man. Yep, I'm calling it here, family. Again, I appreciate you guys for riding with me. Today was not my best. Nope. We were really close to getting past there with a tick, but it doesn't matter. We blew them, so we ride back tomorrow. This is what we got to do as traders to get better. We got to deal with the stress sometimes. Today was not my best, but I appreciate you guys. Drink some sun. Get some water. Diego, Pobby, Work, Mar, Ben, Newbie, Sobs. Matrix is already gone. I'm not sure if Danny's Queen's still here, but I love you guys. Drink some sun. Get some water. Hug somebody you love. And we ride again tomorrow during FOMC. Protect your accounts. We'll see what happens. All right, y'all. Peace. TLR, Corey, Mad Max. Take it easy, family.